To tell the story of Earth, we have to travel back 4.6 billion years. It is a story that begins in total silence and ends in a vibrant blue and green marble. Chakut 1, the solar nebula, the beginning. Before Earth was a planet, it was a ghost. Our solar system began as a giant swirling cloud of gas and dust called a solar nebula. A nearby star exploded, a supernova, sending a shock wave through the cloud and causing it to collapse. The center, most of the matter pulled into the middle to form the sun. The disk, the leftover 1% of the matter, stayed in a flat spinning disk around the sun. This was the raw material for the planets. Disk 2, accretion, the chaos. Inside that disk, tiny grains of dust began to collide. Because of static electricity, they stuck together. These grew into pebbles, then boulders, then planetesimals, baby planets. Gravity took over, pulling more and more rocks toward Proto. It was a violent time. Earth grew by being constantly pelted by massive asteroids. This friction and radioactive decay made the planet a ball of liquid magma. 3, the iron catastrophe, the core. As the Earth melted, a critical event occurred. The heavy elements like iron and nickel sank to the center due to gravity, while the lighter rocks, silicates, floated to the surface. This created the core, the mantle, and the crust. The spinning iron core created Earth's magnetic field, which would eventually act as a shield against deadly solar radiation. Suffers ini the giant impact, the moon. An early Earth wasn't alone. A planet-sized object named Theia, about the size of Mars, was on a collision course with us. It struck Earth with such force that it nearly shattered the planet. The debris from this crash was caught in Earth's gravity and eventually clumped together to form the moon. This impact tilted the Earth, giving us our seasons. I-5 in the first oceans and atmosphere, as the Earth finally cooled, gases trapped inside the rocks were released through volcanic eruptions, creating an early atmosphere of CO2, nitrogen, and water vapor. The Great Rain. Once the surface cooled below 100 degrees C, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed. It rained for thousands of years, filling the low basins to create the first oceans. PK6, the spark of life, 3.5 billion years ago. In the dark depths of these new oceans, near volcanic vents, chemical reactions began to occur. Simple molecules organized into complex ones, eventually forming the first self-replicating organisms, bacteria. Eventually, these organisms learned to use sunlight for energy, photosynthesis, releasing oxygen as a waste product. This great oxidation event changed the atmosphere forever, paving the way for the complex life, including us, that would follow billions of years later.